Hi, morning swallows. I've got maths now. Okay, just going to move straight into it. So, short date, guys. We're in our blue books. All right, we're going to continue with our multiplication theme for this week. We're going to finish today. Finish our multiplication for the time being. We'll come back to this in the new year. But obviously, what I want you to do is I want you to continue on practicing your times tables instead of column method for multiplication. I'm going to move on to short division next week instead. All right, but let's get started. Okay, so in the squares in your book, short date first, 27 11 20. Okay, LO, missing the line is to use the column method to multiply, and that LO, guys, is on your video anyway. All right, at the bottom of the screen if you need that again. Okay, miss a line, guys. I'm going to start with a starter. As always, I'm going to give you two sums. Just put that forward, guys, just so you can see. Two sums, one column addition, one column subtraction. Make sure you write them out, guys, please, in column method using the squares. Off we go. Number one. Little bit of regrouping in this, guys. Okay. Number two. I'll give you some regrouping to do underneath those. Obviously, guys, if you have a look at my board, I want to make sure that those strand lines are nice and straight. Use your rulers, please. Okay. Pause the video if you need to. Come back to this, but I'm going to get straight into it. So I'm going to use my red pen. Okay. Let's start with this one first. We always start with our ones, remember? Okay. Use your purple pens now to tick or fix once you've done it. 4 take away 6 we can't do, guys. So we have to go next door with borrow. Okay. Starting with addition this time, aren't we? Okay. So we've got a bit of regrouping to do. 4 add 6. 0 down, regroup the 1. Okay. 2 add 4 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. 3 add 1 is 4. Mistake. Make sure that you don't do Mr. Prowl's mistake straight away. Have a look at your sum, guys, this morning. It is Friday morning. I'll blame myself for that one. But this time, subtraction, guys, okay? 6 take away 7, we can't do. We'll start with number 2. Go next door, borrow 1. Regroup it into that ones column. I've got 16 take away 7, which gives me 9. 4 take away 2. 2. 3 take away 1. 2, guys. 2, 2, 9. Okay. Just notice the regrouping from tens column into ones. All right. Okay. Once you finish with purple pens, just 2 quick starters this morning in your books. We'll get rid of that. I'm going to just show you guys what you got for today, and this is attached to your working document. Step 1s and 2s, guys. We're going to be working on 2 digit by 1 digit. Same again. Notice in the column method, ones multiplying each by the bottom number, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you 1 or 2 starters and then I'll let you kick on. Step 3s, though, however, step 3s, you've got 3 digit by 1 digit numbers today. All right, that's a bit different. Let's get started. Okay. Number 1. All right, for me, just want you to put pens down. Just have a look at this one with me first. And for adults at home, this is how we've been processing multiplication at school. All right. Start with the bottom number. Make sure that I've got my ones column, my tens column laid out in the correct order. All right. We'll start with the bottom number, multiplying by that bottom number for each of the numbers. And we use tennis ball method, guys. All right. And we said that we throw our tennis ball against the wall, comes back and hits the first number. Multiply the first number by the second number. Okay. So first one first, ones column, 3 by 3. 3 times 3, I know, is 9. 3 times 2 is 6, 69. Okay, perfect. Step 1's easy as pie for you guys. Okay, those. Let's have a look at step 2 problem. Step 2 problem might look a little bit more tricky. Might have a little bit of regrouping underneath, so I'll go 49, 5, 4 this time. Okay, same again, ones column, tens. Always start with my ones column to start off with, just basically because if there's any regrouping underneath, then I need to know that I'm regrouping, and then I can add that on going forward. 4 times 9 to start off with, so tennis ball method again, 4 times 9, 36, 6 down, regroup my 3 underneath, okay. 4 times 4 to finish off, 16, add the 3, 19 over the top, guys, okay, 196. Make sure you check it back through. Step 2 problem. Superb. And then moving on to a step 3 problem before you get going with the rest of these sums, guys. Remember, you can always play this video back, guys, for yourselves and for your adults at home if there's any problems. Step 3 problem. Today, as I've said, you guys are going to use 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. Same method, exactly the same calculation, but with the extra 100 column involved. So HTO to help you lay it out. I might do 127 multiplied by 3 this time. Stick with our 3, stick with what we know, okay? Remember that multiplication is also commutative. So you could do 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, depending on what you know. We're going to stick with our 3s because I know that you guys have been working super hard on 3s all right in a minute. So 3 7s, 21, 1 down, regroup the 2 underneath the tens column, directly in the middle. Can tick that off now that we've done it. 3 times 2, 6, add the 2 is 8, tick off the tens column. 3 times 1 is 3, 381, okay. Same method, guys, just that extra number on top, give you a bit of a boost because to me, you're ready for those 3-digit challenges, step 3s in particular. No reason why step 2s, you couldn't follow the same method. Have a good go at those today if you want to. Choose your column method sums. All right, let's do one more, a little bit trickier. 2, 3, 4 times, let's say times 5, all right. Same numbers, might get a little bit of regrouping across the middle all this time. 5 times 4, 20, 0 down, regroup the 2 underneath the tens column. And if I need to, don't worry about writing an HTO into your books as well, guys. You know, that always helps you to think about your place value and where each place value sits and where each value of the numbers sit. Done the 5 times 4, 5 times 3, 15, add the 2, 17. So 7 down and regroup the 10 underneath the next column. Done the tens, 5 times 2 is 10, add the 1, 11, and just slot that in there, guys, all right? Absolutely superb this week on column multiplication. You've grasped it really well. Some of the LBQ tasks you did yesterday and on Tuesday as well in particular. Looking really good, guys, so keep it up. Have a go. Any feedback, guys, let me know. Write out your sums into your books. When you've finished, upload it for me, guys, all right? Take a picture of your book and your page, all right? Take care, guys. That's all for me for now. Looking forward to the afternoon subject for today. Take care.